Alright everybody, it's 2015. It's time for another tiny house build for Tiny Midwest. I sold my my last tiny house to some people that are going to put it on their farm for people to stay in. So I'm building another one. This one is same size, so it's going to be 16 feet long and actually a tiny bit not as wide, at about 8 feet, and I don't think it'll make a huge difference that that's 6 inches, but you know, I guess in a tiny house everything needs to be anyway. All right, so I have started. I've got the floor decking and everything on, and that's good to go. What I've started on is the wall, and you'll see I have all of the studs cut, and now I'm going back and determining where I'm going to place the windows. And I've got 2 windows on this side that are next to each other, and I'll show you that. So there's going to be 2 of these ranch style windows on one side, and then on the other side I've got something fun planned, and then I'm going to put 2 windows on the back side, I call it, one in the bathroom area and one above in the loft area. What's going to make this one different than the last one is, instead of a pitched roof, I'm going to have just sort of a flat angled roof. Maximize the size on the inside. I'm going to not have a ladder this time. I'm going to have a staircase that will have lots of storage, and the inside and outside is going to be completely modern, whereas the last one was a little bit more traditional house. This one is going to be a modern house, and so as we go along I will show you some of the things I'm going to do and the different stages, so you can see what's going on. I kept the back ramp on. I've cut off, there's a few I got to cut left, but I'm going to turn this into a 4-foot by 7-foot deck, which will be pretty cool, and I'll have some chains and maybe even one scissor jack in the middle just to have a leg. But it'll have, I haven't decided if I'm going to do chains or a wench of some sort, or metal cord. But it might be kind of heavy. I know it's not going to be, I know they're not going to move it around much, or I'm not going to move it much. So I think one person will be able to lock this in place. Glass door on this side, so that'll lead it. Bring in a lot of light. Again, the 2 windows here. The staircase is going to go on the other side, and I've got some fun plans for that wall and what I'm going to do for light. Not putting in a fireplace this time, and the kitchen is going to be in between the staircase and the bathroom, which instead of on that wall like it was last time, it's going to be just in the back part of the tiny house, so it'll be actually a little bit bigger. I'm going to have the same size 32 by 32 shower in this corner, and then the toilet in the other corner, but I think it'll be a lot more space than the last one, which pretty much just took up that little corner. Still was big enough, but I don't know, I just wanted a little bit more space there. And then the rest will be kind of open. I haven't decided what I'm going to do as far as seating and built-ins, or if I'm going to do built-ins, or if this time I'm going to do a actual couch. I haven't decided yet, but lots of fun little ideas I'm planning for this one, so stay tuned.